Hi, welcome SL Vision Studio YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about free online courses offered by Google. That is, we will start the video without further ado. First open the web browser. Then type in the search bar Google Garage. Then click this link. Google Garage link is in the description. This is the Google Garage homepage. Then click Get Start button. Here are the courses available in Google Garage. Digital Marketing Course, Career Development Course and Data and Tech Course. Although you can see two categories on this website called free and paid courses. There are no paid courses yet. Many course providers can be found on the website. Already registered for this site. I have already started a course. You can also participate in live training if you like. Description of the training. Here you can see the training page. By clicking on the Start Course button. Talking about how to do a course with Log, I was not told how to register to do this course. Since I am already registered, try now to show you how to register. Now in the top right corner it will show sign in and register. Click on register. Now register by giving your email and password from here. Subscribe to the channel to watch videos like this.